Dhanu Rashi 2026 Complete Astrology. Dhanu Rashi is ruled by Jupiter, Guru, representing wisdom, expansion, knowledge, and higher purpose. The year 2026 brings relationship focus, emotional grounding, and practical decision-making, shifting you from pure expansion to balanced growth. 1. Past influences 2023-2025 Karma Carryover. Key planetary effects. Saturn in Aquarius, 3rd house, efforts, communication, courage. Jupiter transit through Aries to Taurus to Gemini. What you experienced in detail. Increased effort required in all areas of life. Need to take initiative rather than depend on luck. Growth in communication skills and self-confidence. Travel, learning, or skill development opportunities. Mixed results in career despite continuous effort. Gradual improvement in daily routine and work habits. Emotional and mental impact. Becoming more independent and self-reliant. Reduced dependence on external support. Occasional frustration due to slow results. Increased mental activity and planning. Core lessons learnt. Effort is more important than luck. Courage and initiative create opportunities. Communication plays a key role in success. Consistency leads to gradual growth. 2. Present 2026 Detailed Predictions. Major planetary positions in 2026. Saturn to Pisces, 4th house, home, emotions, stability. Jupiter to Gemini, 7th house, relationships, partnerships. Rahu Ketu influencing home versus career axis. Career and finance. Detailed predictions. Career progress continues but may feel emotionally demanding. Focus shifts towards stability rather than rapid growth. Opportunities through partnerships, collaborations, or client-based work. Business partnerships may become important. Financial condition remains stable with gradual improvement. Deeper career dynamics. Need to balance professional goals with personal life. Emotional satisfaction becomes as important as success. Possible changes in work environment or location. Growth comes through cooperation rather than independence. Financial trends. Stable income with controlled growth. Expenses related to home, property, or family. Focus on long-term investments rather than quick gains. Challenges. Emotional stress affecting work performance. Difficulty balancing home and career responsibilities. Delays in achieving desired results. Advice. Maintain emotional balance in professional life. Focus on steady progress rather than quick success. Build strong partnerships and collaborations. Love and relationships. Highly active area. Detailed predictions. Major focus on relationships and partnerships. Strong possibilities of marriage or serious commitment. Attraction towards intellectual or communicative partners. Relationships bring growth and new perspectives. Deeper relationship dynamics. Need for mutual understanding and communication. Partnerships influence major life decisions. Learning compromise and emotional balance. Challenges. Miscommunication or misunderstandings. Balancing independence with partnership needs. Emotional sensitivity affecting decisions. Advice. Communicate clearly and honestly. Avoid making decisions based purely on emotions. Maintain balance between personal freedom and commitment. Health. Detailed predictions. Emotional and mental health needs attention. Stress related to home or personal life possible. Key areas to watch. Chest or lung related issues. Emotional stress or anxiety. Sleep disturbances. Advice. Maintain calm and peaceful environment. Practice meditation or relaxation techniques. Avoid emotional overload. Family and personal life. Detailed predictions. Strong focus on home, family, and emotional stability. Possible relocation, renovation, or property-related matters. Increased responsibilities toward family members. Desire for emotional security and comfort. Inner growth. Learning emotional balance and patience. Understanding importance of stability. Developing deeper connection with family and roots. 3. Future outlook. Late 2026 to 2027. What improves? Emotional stability and clarity increase. Career direction becomes clearer. Relationships become more stable and supportive. Financial condition improves gradually. Key turning point. Mid to late 2026 brings clarity in relationships and home matters. Important decisions shape long-term stability. Long-term direction. Balance personal and professional life. Strong partnerships and support systems. Stable emotional foundation. Growth through wisdom and practical decisions. Lucky elements for Sagittarius in 2026. Colors. Yellow-orange. Numbers. 3-7. Favorable days. Thursday, Sunday. Favorable planet Jupiter. Remedies. Vedic suggestions. Chant Om Gurave Namaha. Donate yellow items on Thursdays. Respect teachers and elders. Practice patience and wisdom in decisions. Overall summary. Area. Rating 2026. Career 3.5 by 5. Finance 3.5 by 5. Love 4 by 5. Health 3 by 5. Growth 4.5 by 5. Theme of 2026 for Dhanu Rashi. Relationships, emotional grounding and steady progress towards long-term stability. Vrishtika Rashi 2026. Complete astrology. Vrishtika Rashi is ruled by Mars, Kuja, representing intensity, transformation, courage and deep emotional power. The year 2026 brings creative awakening, emotional depth and transformation in
personal life, along with steady external progress. 1. Past influences 2023-25 karma carryover. Key planetary effects: Saturn in Aquarius, 4th house, home, emotion, stability. Jupiter transit through Aries to Taurus to Gemini. What you experienced in detail: emotional heaviness or disturbances in personal life, responsibilities related to home, property or family matters, feeling of inner dissatisfaction despite external stability, changes in living situation or environment, relationship challenges within family or close circle, gradual improvement in partnerships and external opportunities, emotional and mental impact, increased emotional depth and sensitivity, desire for emotional security and control, periods of isolation or introspection, learning to handle emotional ups and downs, core lessons learned, building inner emotional strength, letting go of control over everything, understanding importance of emotional balance, creating stability from within not outside. 2. Present 2026 detailed predictions. Major planetary positions in 2026. Saturn to Pisces, 5th house, creativity, love, intelligence. Jupiter to Gemini, 8th house, transformation, secrets, joint resources. Rahu Ketu influencing creativity and social circles. Career and finance. Detailed predictions. Career progress continues but may feel indirect or slow. Opportunities related to research, analysis or hidden work. Gains through joint finances, partnerships or shared resources. Financial situation may fluctuate due to unexpected changes. Deeper career dynamics. You may work behind the scenes rather than in visible roles. Need to focus on skill development and strategic thinking. Sudden changes in career direction possible. Financial trends. Income may come from multiple or unconventional sources. Expenses related to investments, loans or shared finances. Need for careful financial planning. Challenges. Financial uncertainty or sudden expenses. Trust issues in financial partnerships. Lack of clarity in career direction. Advice. Avoid risky financial decisions. Focus on long-term stability. Keep financial matters transparent and organized. Love and relationships. Love life becomes serious and emotionally intense. Possibility of deep transformative relationships. Romantic life may feel slow but meaningful. Deeper relationship dynamics. Attraction towards emotionally deeper complex partners. Relationships may bring karmic lessons. Need for emotional honesty and vulnerability. Challenges. Emotional ups and downs. Possessiveness or control issues. Miscommunication due to lack of clarity. Advice. Practice trust and emotional openness. Avoid over-controlling behavior. Allow relationships to develop naturally. Health. Detailed predictions. Energy levels fluctuate. Mental and emotional stress possible. Key areas to watch: reproductive or hormonal health, stress and anxiety, hidden or chronic issues. Advice. Regular health checkups are important. Maintain emotional balance. Avoid stress build-up. Family and personal life. Detailed predictions. Focus shifts from home to personal creativity and self-expression. Possible changes in family dynamics. Interest in creative pursuits or hobbies. Desire for personal fulfillment increases. Inner growth. Learning to express emotions creatively. Developing patience in personal matters. Understanding deeper purpose of life experiences. 3. Future outlook. Late 2026 to 2027. What improves? Emotional stability and clarity increase. Financial condition stabilizes gradually. Career direction becomes clearer. Relationships become more stable and mature. Key turning point. Mid to late 2026 brings transformation and realization. Hidden efforts begin to show results. Long-term direction. Strong emotional and mental resilience. Better financial planning and control. Deep and meaningful relationships. Growth through transformation and self-awareness. Lucky elements for Scorpio in 2026. Colors. Red, one in deep shades. Numbers. 9-3. Favorable days. Tuesday, Thursday. Favorable planet Mars. Remedies. Vedic suggestions. Chant Om Angarakai Namaha. Donate yellow items on Tuesdays. Practice meditation and emotional control. Avoid anger and impulsive reactions. Overall summary. Area. Rating 2026. Career 3/5. Finance 3/5. Love 3.5/5. Health 2.5/5. Growth 4.5/5. Theme of 2026 for Vrishtika Rashi. Transformation, emotional depth and inner strength leading to long-term stability. Tula Rashi 2026. Complete astrology guide. Tula Rashi is ruled by Venus, Shukra, representing balance, relationships, beauty, harmony and decision-making. The year 2026 brings work-life restructuring, relationship clarity and decision growth, requiring you to balance comfort with responsibility. 1. Past influences 2023-25 karma carryover. Key planetary effects. Saturn in Aquarius, 5th house, creativity, love, intelligence. Jupiter to Gemini, transit through Aries to Taurus to Gemini. What you experienced in detail. Emotional seriousness in love and personal expression. Delays or challenges in romantic relationships. Creative blocks or reduced enjoyment in hobbies. Responsibilities related to children, education or personal goals. Mixed results in speculative activities, investments, risks. Gradual improvement in luck and opportunities towards 2025. Emotional and mental impact. Reduced spontaneity and increased seriousness. Overthinking in matters of love and decision making. Desire for stability over temporary. Learning emotional discipline. Core lessons learned. Patience in love and emotional matters. Avoiding impulsive decisions. Understanding long-term value over short-term pleasure. Developing maturity in expressing feelings. 2. Present 2026 detailed predictions. Major planetary positions in 2026. Saturn to Pisces, 6th house, work, health, routine, competition. Jupiter to Gemini, 9th house, luck, higher knowledge, travel. Rahu Ketu influencing work-life balance and personal stability. Career and finance, effort-based growth phase. Detailed predictions. Focus shifts towards daily work, discipline and responsibilities. Career growth comes through consistent effort rather than sudden opportunities. Opportunities related to learning, teaching or travel may arise. Financial Financial growth is steady but requires careful planning. Financial trends. Income remains stable with gradual improvement. Expenses related to health, travel or skill development. Better control over financial habits compared to past years. Challenges. Increased workload and pressure. Competition in workplace. Feeling stuck in routine or repetitive work. Advice. Stay disciplined and avoid laziness. Focus on skill improvement and productivity. Avoid conflicts at workplace. Love and relationships. Detailed predictions. Relationships take a more practical and realistic direction. Emotional expectations reduce, focusing more on stability. Possibility of meeting someone through travel, education or work. Deeper relationship dynamics. Less traumatic more mature elections. Desire for balance and mutual understanding. Focus on compatibility rather than attraction alone. Challenges. Lack of excitement or emotional intensity. Misunderstandings due to work stress. Difficulty expressing feelings. Advice. Maintain balance between work and personal life. Communicate openly and calmly. Avoid neglecting relationships due to responsibilities. Health. Detailed predictions. Health becomes a major focus area. Improvement possible with discipline. Risk of stress-related issues if routine is ignored. Key areas to watch. Digestive system, stress and anxiety. Fatigue due to overwork. Advice. Maintain proper diet and routine. Exercise regularly. Avoid overworking yourself. Family and personal life. Detailed predictions. Responsibilities toward family increase. Need to balance work and home life. Possible travel or relocation for work or personal reasons. Growth and maturity and responsibility. Inner growth. Learning discipline and time management. Becoming more practical and grounded. Reducing dependence on others for emotional stability. 3. Future outlook. Late 2026 to 2027. What improves? Emotional stability, reality increase. Career direction becomes stable. Financial sanction increase. Relationship shape and stability. Key turning point. Late 2026 brings positive changes in lab interaction. Efforts made earlier start results. Long-term direction. Strong career and mental resilience. Better financial planning control. Deep and meaningful relationships. Growth to vitamin practical decisions. Lucky elements for Larash in 26. Colors. White horse chase numbers 36. Every days Thursday, Sunday. Favorite planet Venus. Remedies, Vedic suggestions. Chant Om Shukrai Naha. Offer white levels on Fridays. Maintain harmony in relationships. Practice penance in all areas of life. Overall wedding. Career. Career 2026. Career 4 5.5. Finance 5. Love 3.5. Health 3.55. Yields